Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to inspect and verify that the vehicle is in safe operating condition increases the risk of an accident, which can lead to serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the radiator and exhaust system for the accumulation of grass, leaves, and other flammable material or debris. Next, check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage. Verify there is sufficient tread depth. Check the tire pressure and verify that they are set to specification. Reference your owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specifications. Now, inspect the wheels and ensure the lug nuts are tight. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Lubricate if necessary. Next, inspect the engine and PVT intake pre-filter for any blockage or debris and clean as needed. After this, inspect the air filter and ensure it is clean. Replace as needed. Then, move to the rear of the vehicle to inspect the spark arrestor. Periodically clean the spark arrestor to remove accumulated carbon. Replace as needed. Note: allow the vehicle to cool completely before performing any spark arrestor service. Next, ensure the vehicle is on a flat level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Then, inspect the fluid level and condition in the master cylinder in the driver's side front wheel well. Ensure the level is between the min and max marks. If it is low, add fluid as necessary from a new and unopened bottle. Do not allow brake fluid to contact painted surfaces or paint damage may occur. Now, ensure proper level and condition of the coolant. Next, move to the passenger rear wheel well to check the oil level and ensure the oil is in good condition. Note: ensure the oil is checked on a cold engine. A hot engine will appear overfilled. Then, check the condition and function of the seatbelts. Inspect the full length of the seatbelt for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or any stiffness. Also, test the latch for proper operation. After this, ensure the seat latches are secure by pushing down on all seat backs. Note: always wear a seatbelt when riding. The vehicle will limit speed if the driver's seatbelt buckle is not latched. Start the engine and verify there are no warning lights illuminated. While here, ensure there is enough fuel for your trip. Then, stop the engine. Next, verify proper operation of the headlights, taillights, and brake lights. Then, adjust the steering wheel to the desired location and ensure the steering system operates freely from full left to full right. Once complete, verify proper brake and accelerator pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Continue by adjusting the handhold to a comfortable position for your passenger before operating. Make sure the clasps are fully locked after making adjustments. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the recommended safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.